Alrighty, so because I've filmed this video about like 3 times now, we're going on number 4. My birthday's August 10th, guys. I don't know what's going on. And if you keep on asking, I'll just keep saying so. This isn't what I wanted, it isn't what you need. Or let them keep on talking. Alright, so my name is Cassandra, and I'm going to be doing the get to know me tag for new YouTubers like myself. So I wanted to let you guys know a little bit about me so you guys could know me a little bit better and the person behind all the content that's being put up. So let's get started. By the way, if you see me looking down at my phone, it's because the questions are here. So I'm gonna read off of it. Okay, so first things first, what is your name? Again, my name is Cassandra. I don't have a middle name, so even make fun of that. I don't have a middle name, okay? My name is just Cassandra by itself. That's it. Alright, how old are you? I am 26 years old. August 10th is my birthday, so that makes me a Leo. Alright, so do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 3. I have a brother that's 28, I have a sister that's 22, and I have another little sister that is 11. Where are you from? I am from Miami, Florida, where it is always bipolar because it's not always sunny. But I'm from Miami, Florida. I was born and raised here. My parents are from Haiti, so I am Haitian. Alright, shout out to all my Zoes. I am Haitian. Did you go to college? Yes, I'm actually still currently in school. I am going for my bachelor's degree in business, so I should be done probably in like another year because I've taken like a pretty long break when I got pregnant, but I'll be done in about a year, so I'll be getting my bachelor's in business supervision and management. Okay, are you single? Nope, I am not. I am happily married to the love of my life. We met each other about 5 years ago, so we've known each other then, and we've been married now for about like 4 months. So that's that. You guys will see him soon, eventually on my channel, but till then, I'm just gonna brag about him. Do you have any kids? Yes, I have 1 kid. I think that's enough for now. I have 1 daughter. She is 2 years old. Her name is Emma, and she is just like a ball of energy. And she's so beautiful, and she has like the most beautiful soul ever. Let me just stop rambling on about her because I will talk about her forever. But I do have 1 kid and 1 kid only. What's your favorite color? My favorite color, I think, will always be pink. I don't know what it is. It's just like super, super girly, and that's just me. So pink it is. If I had like a choice for a second color, I would definitely choose like mint, turquoise, aqua, like in that field. Yeah, because those are cute too. But mainly my color is pink. Cats or dogs? I like both, but I am allergic to cats, so I just have a dog. Her name is Princess, and she is a toy poodle. She's the cutest little thing ever. I've had her since she was 1. She is now 16, so me and my husband call her our little old lady because she's getting pretty old, but I love her. What is your biggest fear? You guys are probably gonna laugh at this, but I've gotta say my biggest fear is, I think, losing my 2 front teeth. It's very, very weird, but I've always had that biggest fear of just walking around and having to, you know, not have my 2 front teeth. I think it's so weird, but nowadays there's like veneers and there's fake teeth and all this stuff, so maybe that shouldn't be a fear of mine anymore. But definitely one of those. What is your eye color? I'd say brown. Some people think it's a little bit lighter, but it's brown. Okay. What's your favorite food? Does cereal count as food? Oh, because like I could eat cereal like nobody's business. I remember like I used to have like this obsession with cereal, and I would eat cereal like finish a box in about 2 days. It was that bad until I got pregnant, and I remember my doctor told me that I had gained 10 pounds in 1 month, and I did an experiment and I stopped eating cereal, and the next month I did not gain any weight. So from there, I think I've minimized how much cereal I eat and how much of an impact it's had on my body. So I've definitely stopped that. But I'd say cereal is my best. My second best is definitely pizza. I can eat pizza like, it doesn't matter. Whatever pizza you got, I can have it. I think, you know, you guys will get to know me throughout my channel, but I did want to mainly answer as to why I was making a YouTube channel. I wanted to make a YouTube channel for a very, very long time now. It's just always been when's the right time to start, but there's never ever gonna really be a right time to start. I had to just literally pick up the camera and just do something, because that will get me on my feet to get going. But I wanted to be able to showcase certain things that I'm skilled at, such as, you know, being a mom. I feel like I've been rewarded with the best gift, and I feel like I'm doing a pretty good job at being a mom. So I'd like to like showcase that. And also I do have a at-home business that I'm growing right now. I like to bake, so I make custom cakes, cake pops, cupcakes. So if you'd like to check out my work, you guys can check me out at Sweet Casa Cakes on Instagram, so you guys can view my work on there. And let me know what you guys think. Go follow me. That is Sweet Casa Cakes. And also, I wanted to be able to show some of that work that I do on camera, show you guys how to do basic things with cakes that you guys can do at home. And also, I wanted to just do a few like DIY projects, because I feel like I'm real creative with my hands, and no better way than to show somebody how you did it. So I wanted to be able to do that as well. So I'm hoping that, you know, eventually that the people that are following me and the subscribers that I had, that eventually we could just become a huge family. And I think that's about it. If you guys have any more questions, I can definitely do a part 2 to this. If you guys have like specific questions that you guys would like to ask me. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also visit my sweets page on Instagram. It is at Sweet Casa Cakes. And also you can follow my actual personal Instagram, that is love.cassandra.s. I will leave all that stuff below, so you guys can go ahead and check them out and let me know what you think. Till then, I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.